Dash cams are wonderful things. They will capture all sorts of strange things that happen around your vehicle. I was driving home one day, came up to an intersection that I go past many times. It goes down onto the freeway, and I noticed something up in the sky that caught my attention. I could see it with my eyes clearer than what a dash cam could see. To me, it looked metallic. The first thought I had was it was a drone. There have been lots of fires in the area where I live, but it moved in a strange way, and then I thought to myself, wow, I'm going to have to go back around and see what's going on here. In fact, I went up into the suburbs, spun around and came back. I'll show you what I found when I went and parked somewhere near where I saw this, whatever it is in the sky, and then we'll come in and we'll analyze what I saw in all different ways, because that may reveal to us exactly what was in the sky.
It was up in this area here in the sky here where I saw that thing floating. Oh, I can't see a thing at the moment. That's a freeway into Sydney there, and the wind is blowing down in that direction. There's not one thing in the sky. There is a jet up there, but it's not what I saw. I'll tell you what, someone needs to do a bit of tidying up around here. That was really strange. I thought initially it was a bird, but I didn't see it doing any flapping. I thought maybe it's a drone, but I didn't see little propellers that you see in a drone. Oh, I don't know, it had me spooked, whatever it is, unknown. That's why they call them UFOs. I'm just amazed how much rubbish is down the side of the road here, and I've just found someone's shoe. And I don't know, something creepy about finding people's shoes, particularly when there's only one, and I'd hate to think what's going to come running out of this. Ugh, it'd be like the perfect spider home, wouldn't it? Yuck. But people must just drive along here and dump stuff out the side of their car. There is just so much rubbish and litter, and it goes right down into the bush there, all the way along here. Rubbish, rubbish, rubbish. And the irony of the sign down there, Vote 1 Sustainable Australia Party, dumped in the bush. Down here at this bit just off the freeway, looks like people have been doing some illegal dumping and things, but there's just a whole bunch of, well, I call fast food rubbish, all strewn through the bush there, and there's stacks of it. There's a whole heap I haven't shown, but man oh man, what's in there is quite astonishing. And as I came back to my car, there's something here that I collect, and I dare say this has been knocked off by a truck. Look at that, a beautiful red road reflector. And that's the roundy bit of road that takes you down to the freeway. And what I'm not liking is there's a smell of something dead around here, and maybe it's best for me to pull out of here, because I'd hate to think what's going on further on down in the bush there. Quite a strong smell of something that's very off.
Okay, let's scrutinize this unidentified object in the sky. And to me, because I saw it for real, it was moving in an unnatural way. You will tell me what this is, I'm sure, but I was so spooked by it, that's why I made this video.